All right, this is Michael and Diana and Elise and Jonathan and myself. We're up in El Dorado State Park and we're hiking up and down. We were gonna hike up and down the trails, but there's still too much ice on the trails for me to make it up. So we're walking up and down the road by this river, and it's really pretty neat. I'm not sure how far up we are, but there's a rock face just right over here that there's people rock climbing, and it's really pretty neat to see them. But anyway, we're just having a great time. Wish you guys were here.